Here's the latest on xtalks.com. Sustainability is a top concern for consumers, which is why food companies have been seen investing in new initiatives to reduce their overall environmental impacts. However, there have been some disagreements in the industry in regards to what initiatives are best for growing consumer concerns. This might be why 4 of the top food companies in America have joined forces to start their own sustainable food lobbying group. Hello, I'm Nima Rajan, editor and webinar moderator for xtalks.com, and welcome to this edition of xtalks Vitals. Our featured webinar for this episode is Achieving Transparency in Food Product Quality Inspections. Click the link in the description below to register for this free webinar. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button on the bottom right corner of this video so that you can always be up to date on the latest xtalks Vitals episodes. Nestlé USA, Danone North America, Mars, and Unilever have partnered to develop the new Sustainable Food Policy Alliance. This new organization will work towards driving public policies that improve the overall health of consumers and the environment. However, this new organization's founding might be associated with disagreements between the 4 founding companies and the Grocery Manufacturers Association. Last year, Nestlé, Mars, Unilever, and several other food companies left the original lobbying group due to disagreements on labeling policies, such as the GMA's proposal to include the addition of GMOs on product labels. The new Sustainable Food Policy Alliance will focus on 5 key areas in the food industry, which include consumer transparency, environment, food safety, nutrition, and people and communities. So far, the Alliance has already reached out to U.S. policymakers to ensure that the Farm Bill incorporates solutions for pressing environmental issues, such as water quality, water conservation, regenerative agriculture, and soil health. They are also urging the FDA to roll out their new Nutrition Facts panel sooner, along with a full-scale educational campaign for consumers. The group has also supported the FDA's initiative to define the term healthy in the food industry. However, these efforts might tangle with the Grocery Manufacturers Association's initiatives. In particular, the GMO's labeling disputes between the 2 organizations was acknowledged on the Sustainable Food Policy Alliance's website. We are confident that currently approved gene-based technologies for food production are safe, wrote the group. Another opposing topic between the 2 groups is the FDA's upcoming mandatory Nutrition Facts label that the GMA originally supported, but then later argued against the inclusion of added sugar information. These conflicts contributed to the formation of this new lobbying group. However, they are nowhere close to the size and number of members that the GMA has, which means that they might face an issue with their influence. Nevertheless, the 4 American companies have a combined annual revenue of $200 billion, which might have some power in persuading other companies to join the alliance. Subscribe to the xtalks YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button below, and visit xtalks.com for more information on this story and our featured webinar for this episode, Achieving Transparency in Food Product Quality Inspections. Click the link in the description below to register for this free webinar.